Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to this inbox review. This inbox review we are going to be doing Airfix's 1/72nd scale Douglas A4BQ Skyhawk. Quite a nice, easy kit by the looks of it. It's around about maybe £10–13, so pretty cheap. It was brand new tooled in, what was it, 2012. This was a rebox in 2019, so sort of a new-ish kind of tool, but let's have a look. Nice and easy actually. We've only got like a couple of sprues just here. If I sort of laid them out, as you can see, if we take a closer look, right, we will see from the detail, surface detail is shall we say it's not massive. It is quite sort of basic, but it is quite crisp. The recessed panel lines, admittedly for 1/72nd scale, do seem a little bit overdone, a bit too much in your face, but very crisp and clean, right? If we turn this the other side, we have not really any detail in the cockpit area. The tub, if we look at the tub as well, there's not really any detail in there. The detail in the cockpit is all in the decal form, right? So not really massive amounts of detail. We do have a pilot, right, which we can just about make out the mouth, but we can see the eyes and the nose. A little bit of flash around the pilot, but it's only really sort of like the pilot there. Moving along, we have the wing section, which, you know, we have detail on there, same level as detail as the fuselage section. But looking pretty crisp and tidy. We've all got all these fuel tanks as well. We do have our ejector seats just here. Again, details not maybe the best on this kit. You know, it is quite light. Landing gear, pylons and everything. You know, we do have recessed panel lines there. Not really seeing any rivets on this. We've got some nice freefall bombs as well. Here's the instrument display panel. As you can see, blank. It's all relying on decals. And then we have the second one here again with the fuselage, and then some sort of little bits and bobs going on in and around there. Then we have our canopy. If I just open this up, all right. And looking at the canopy, it is hard to see on camera, right? But you know, looking quite shiny. If I hold it up to light, I could see a little bit better. Yeah, it's looking nice and shiny. I'm not seeing any sort of like a cobweb effects or anything like that. So yeah, not bad actually. Maybe, yeah, no. So yeah, it looks all right actually. So then we move on to our decals. All right, nice and quick here. We have the Argentinian version for this, as well as a nice US version for this. These are printed by Cartographs, so they are going to be really good with micro solid set. We do have the instrument display panels and everything just here inside the cockpit. Again, you know, I mean, they're okay, shall we say. You know, a little bit sort of maybe disappointing on the detail in the cockpit, but you know, still for only £10, £13, pretty damn good. A little quick look into the instructions. Right, we have nice fold out here, little bit of colour on the front, sort of nice plain paper. Let's maybe bring you in a bit closer. Right, little description, you know, pretty much as always, black and white for the instructions. You know, cockpit going together seems pretty nice and standard and basic, bringing the two fuselage halves together. There is a 5 gram weight in this, so don't forget your weight or you're going to get a tail sitter. Right, moving along, yes, bringing the two wing halves together and then the wing and the fuselage together. Does seem quite nice, easy and basic. Does look like we can have landing gear up or down. Does look like we can have the air brakes open or closed, but you know, inside the air brakes here, I'm not really seeing focus. I'm not seeing any sort of detail inside these air brakes, so that, oh, hold on. Okay, if you look really closely, actually you can see some raised rivets, so there is some detail in there. You know, sorry about that, there is actually detail in there. Moving along, you know, put your fuel tanks on, fuel probe and everything, and pretty much nice, quick and easy and done. We have a quick look at the markings. We've got our US markings here for the USS Intrepid, and then we have our Falklands War 1982 sort of nice Argentinian A-4. So all in all, do you know what? It is cheap, but it is cheerful. It does look to be quick and easy, a nice, simple, easy, quick, cheap and cheerful kit, right? You know, maybe it is lacking a little bit on detail, maybe the surface detail, you know, those recessed panel lines are a bit sort of maybe overscaled. But yeah, I can only describe this as a nice, cheap, cheerful kit to actually go out and build. So yeah, it is a big thumbs up because it looks like a nice, fun kit to do, probably for like a beginner, intermediate. Maybe you might want to sort of go for a different manufacturer if you're sort of in the intermediate and advanced range. But yeah, for a nice fun kit, definitely a big thumbs up. So hopefully you've enjoyed that, but until next time, as always, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you in the next video.